Hello! We are going to teach you the know-how of a waste mold casting used to obtain a cast of a sculpture. We will separate this tutorial in two main points. Firstly, the making of the casts. On the second hand, the process of casting out of the mold. Before getting to work, here are the main tools that we'll use during the process. The compressed air blower, a flat brush, chisel, mallet, a wooden board, plaster, we'll need a lot, towel nests, and some clay, Vaseline, yes, dish soap, disgusting, some oil, water, blue dye, and last but not least, stick.
First thing first, you have to make a bas-relief out of clay on a wooden board covered in Vaseline around the sculpture. Then we have to make what we call blue plaster, which is just regular plaster with the blue dye. After that, we smash the mixture into the surface of the sculpture in order to avoid any bubbles. The texture has to be pretty liquid, and the layer of the blue plaster should be around 2 millimeters thick. Once I become dry, around 5 minutes waiting, we apply a thicker layer of average plaster, around 2 cm thick.
Next, we're going to make some nests out of towel and dip them in white plaster while separating them carefully to spread them a bit. Additionally, we apply a quite thick layer out of the previous step all over the mold. Right after, bind 2 wooden sticks of rectangular bases at their very ends to the mix of towel nets and plaster. They should be put on top of the whole mold, helping it to stay still. Afterwards, wait a whole 24 hours straight for the mold to be completely dry in order to flip it over. The next step consists in removing the clay out of the mold by scratching it. To clean the mold deeply, we use water and dish soap, and we finish with a compressed air blower.
Now that the first part is complete, we obtain the mold. But from now we still have to make the casts. First of all, we make a non-sticky mixture out of a third of dish soap, the same quantity of water, and still the same of oil. We now apply 3 coats of it with a brush everywhere on the inside of the mold. But we have to wait in between for each dry.
As all previous white plaster must have dried, we have to make a brand new one. We apply 1 cm thick layer out of right into the mold. Same thing with the mixture of 2 nests and plaster. We repeat the process and we fill it up into the mold entirely. We have to be careful to obtain a smooth surface. Again, wait a whole 48 hours for the cast to dry and then flip everything over.
Now we are going to remove the mold by firstly breaking the sticks, and then with the help of a chisel and a mallet, we shatter the mold piece by piece. We have to be very careful once we reach the blue layer, so we use a smaller and more precise version of a chisel to finally clear the cast. To finish, we can clear the cast with the use of a compressed air blower. Here, we obtain our waste mold casting. We hope that this tutorial helped.